Hi guys, so today we are gonna do eyewitness testimony. You're gonna be doing a web quest. But first, we have this little video for you to watch.
This testimony seems
Okay, so now that you've watched that, you guys are gonna be doing a web quest. It's gonna look similar to this, only not. This you are going to, as you can see, read a little bit, and then you are going to click on the article. I linked the article, so all you have to do is click on that. You're going to answer a couple, like one to couple questions per article. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 articles that you are going to be reading and looking at. And one thing I'd like you to know is, though this topic is highly debatable, most states have accepted eyewitness accounts as flawed science and do not allow a person or persons to be convicted based solely on eyewitness accounts. However, police investigators and such still use eyewitness accounts to help with leads, and then it helps to gain additional evidence that can be used to convict a suspect or find a suspect, and for that matter. So what you guys are going to be looking at is, if I can get to where you guys are, sorry, computer's a little laggy. Make sure you put your name in. This is not the one that you guys are going to be doing. I apologize. Where is it? This is the one. I had to fix it. So I have put text boxes where I want you to answer questions. They are purple because I love the color purple. So what I'd like you to do is first type your name in. Eyewitness testimony has been used for centuries in criminal justice investigation, often leading to the conviction of the accused. However, science is finding increasingly substantial evidence against the use of eyewitness testimony as an accurate way of identifying suspects. In fact, brain researchers suggest that eyewitness testimonies shouldn't or should not be used at all and should not be allowed to be used in the courtroom. Today, you will participate in a web quest where you will research for yourself and develop your own opinions on this highly debatable topic. Visit sites below and answer the questions. So Article 1, it's not doing what I want. Click on it and go to that article, answer the questions. Article 2, you're going to go to this one, and you'll notice, those of you who are taking Mr. Carver's class, it has to do with the Salem witch trials. Not exactly the Crucible, but the Salem witch trials. And then you're going to go to Article 3. It's going to talk about the Innocence Project, which is a good thing because we're going to be hitting on the Innocence Project soon. And then Article 4, Live Science, dealing with the brain. You're going to have 11 questions. When you are done, please submit this. And I hope you guys have a great day.